the fear of embarrassment. Fear of embarrassment is basically the fear of failure. What if I fail? So we need to look at the definition of failure. So that's something that I help people with. I help teams with, to really understand what is this failure, because how we define things has got some huge impact on how we show up on a daily basis. For someone who sees failure as something that is just so bad, as something to be avoided at all costs, then you're going to suffer in life. You'll never get to do anything. But if you see failure as an opportunity to begin again more intelligently, so it simply means that you're going to embrace failure. Because if you want to go high, you need to have high level of failures as well. So the rates or the amount of failures that you have in life will determine as well how far you will go. Each failure will bring with it a lesson, and that lesson is something that you'll use as a weapon to move forward and approach your dreams and your goals, and trust me, you'll be unstoppable. So these are all the things that are called mental darkness that are holding us back. Self-doubt is one of them. Comparing ourselves to other people who are not us is another. So these things are very important to understand. So for us, every day, we need to strive to move and transform ourselves from mental darkness to mental light. Because in mental light, that's where our dreams are. And without living our dreams, then what are we here for? There's nothing else that we can do. So come and join me, because this is the home of mental light. And the home of mental light is the place where dreams become a reality. And not just something that is, that I'm going to give you gimmicks. It's not about gimmicks. It's about data-driven evidence that science has, given to us. So this is the information that I get to share with you. Something that is contemporary, something that is new and fresh about the brain. Because you don't want to work against your brain, but you want to let your brain be your ally rather than a foe. So the question is, how much do you understand about your brain? That's the question that you need to ask yourself. And I am Veli Ndaba, the NeuroEngineer, who is here to help you. So let's connect. Are you ready to move from mental darkness to mental light? Then I'm here. Please do give me a call and let's engage further.